Nandito na uli ako sa aking vlog. Ang isang makina, saan man yan nakakabit, sa sasakyan, generator, o bangka, o barko man, diesel o gasoline engine, ay tumatakbo base sa operation at principle ng isang makina. Libo-libong sasakyan ang tumatakbo sa ating bansa na dapat malaman ang tamang maintenance, service at repair. Isa ka mang driver, technician, mekaniko at proprietor ng auto service at supply shop. Ang makina ang pangunahing source of automobile power at mga parte na nakakabit dito. Kaya dito tayo magsisimula sa introduction of diesel engine or IC engine. Diesel engine is an internal combustion engine. The burning of fuel takes place inside the cylinder. It cannot seen, but its product is emitted in the form of smoke. Ang ibig sabihin, ang pagputok ng panggatong sa loob ng cylinder ay hindi nakikita. Pero ang bunga ng pagputok sa loob ng cylinder ay makikita mo na lamang sa pamamagitan ng usok na lumalabas sa tambutso ng isang sasakyan. Papaliwanag ko ang bagay na ito. Diesel engine has 4 stroke events to complete the cycle. Namely, intake stroke or suction stroke, compression, working or power stroke, the last one, exhaust stroke. Intake stroke. The piston is moved downward, pulled by the connecting rod, the lower end of which is moved by the crank. The whole of the crank is called crankshaft. In Tagalog term is called cigonyal. With the piston moving away from the cylinder head, it creates vacuum. Outside air is entered through the intake valve. The intake valve is open about the beginning of the suction stroke and remain open until the piston reaches bottom dead center. Okay, remember this two movement of piston. Bottom dead center and top dead center. Top dead center is the topmost part reached by piston during its upward movement. And bottom dead center is the lowermost part reached by piston during its downward movement. Because next video we will dismantle cylinder head and fixing cylinder head. I will teach you how to tune up your engine. You cannot tune up your engine if the piston is not on the top position. Only you can tune up your engine if the piston is on the top dead center. Compression stroke. With the piston past the bottom dead center, compression stroke begins. The intake valve is closed. The piston pushed upward by the crank and the connecting rod compresses the air inside the cylinder. Oh, there is already an air inside the cylinder. Before an intake stroke, the air is allowed to enter the cylinder head through the intake valve. Now, in compression stroke, the intake valve is closed, compressing now the air before the piston reach top dead center. Automizing of fuel begins in the form of finely automized spray. The one inject the fuel is the fuel injector in the form of finely automized spray. What happened? It compressing the air inside the cylinder. There is already a fuel air mixture. Compressing the air inside the cylinder, it increases pressure and temperature. The fuel is ignite and burn. That is now the third stroke called power stroke. the burning of the fuel inside the cylinder. The hot gases push downward or forward through the connecting rod in the trunk, transmit the developed energy to the rotating crankshaft. Now rotate the crankshaft already, that is RPM, the revolution per minute. If the crankshaft rotates, your automobile will run. Why? Because the crankshaft is connected with the flywheel, and the flywheel is connected with transmission. Transmission is connected with propeller. The end of the propeller is connected with differential. If the crankshaft rotates, the wheel will rotate, your automobile will move and run. A ship, the crankshaft rotates, the main engine of the ship has a big flywheel. The big flywheel is connected with intermediate shaft bearing. The intermediate shaft bearing, the end of intermediate shaft bearing outside the ship is the propeller connected to the end of the shaft. If the crankshaft rotates, the propeller of the ship rotates also, the ship is moved and sailed. It's only like that. Exhaust stroke. The last stroke. Before the piston reaches bottom center, exhaust valve open. The hot product of combustion that are still under high pressure begins to escape through the exhaust port going outside. Exhaust stroke. The piston is pushed upward by the crank and the connecting rod, expelling all the remaining product of combustion. Near the top center, exhaust valve will close. Intake valve is open. The cycle starts over repeatedly in regular order. If you will see, the piston, the first stage intake stroke is going down. Then, second stroke is going up. Rotation of the crankshaft. Then the third stroke is going down. Then, going up. The fourth stroke. Two rotations of the crankshaft need to complete one cycle.